Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in the love show. Chapter 59, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Suman, right now, since she was still outside. Suddenly, she sees that Tao Tao has sending her a message. Tao Tao was still on the hotel, and she was still outside shooting. Suman said to Tao Tao, I just finished work, and I will be at the hotel soon. Oh, it turns out the two of them are still living together. Well, it was really a sweet thing, right? Looking at Suman, Tao Tao said, I'm bored anyway, so I'll go downstairs and take a walk. I'll pick you up while I'm eat. Oh, this little girl, she's really getting tricky. Right now, is she really putting initiative to make closer to Suman? Suman suddenly told the driver, just drive a little faster. Well, of course, she wanted to go quickly. Someone was waiting for her, and it was a little kitten at home is looking for someone. Suman, at this moment, seems to be not realizing that Tao wants to get closer to her. She don't have any idea of it. Driver said, huh? Okay. No, he really drive fast. Seems that Tao was still outside of the hotel. Now, it seems to be, she's really getting impatient. Told herself why she hasn't arrived yet. She really missed Suman so much, that's why she was eager and also getting impatient to see her. Now, when she looked around, she was still looking for Suman. Tao said, where is she? This girl, did she realize that she has some feelings for Suman? After a few moments, Suman suddenly already arrived at the hotel. Now, she was walking through Tao. Probably, she really misses her also. Right now, she was really wanting to rush through to see Tao. Suman, when she got out on the car, she told Tao that, I'm here. Oh, our gorgeous mommy. She looks really stunning. With that look, everyone is gonna fall on her. Right now, seeing Suman, Tao, she was smiling, and she was happily looking at her. Suman suddenly grabbed her. Oh, what's wrong with Suman? Suddenly rushing through. Seems like there's a paparazzi following us. Suman said to Tao. After hearing this, of course, she got really surprised. Looking at her expression right now, the two of them are rushing through to hide the paparazzi. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. It seems that Suman is always has been aware of the people like this. That's why she can sense that someone is watching them. But now, on the quietly voice, Tao is asking Suman, is the paparazzi gone? Tao continued to ask Suman, but Suman suddenly put her hands on the lips of Tao to make her quiet. Not yet, Suman said to her. Oh, this girl, Tao. She was blushing. Suman, she's seeing her. She looks really gorgeous. Tao said to her, what a great face. Since she can see the view of Suman's face right now is the feeling. It's really getting stronger. Right now, Tao said to her, are you nervous? Still, Tao was holding her lips. She's been talking quietly, so she cannot make a noise. Now Suman, she was staring at her. Ah, it seems like I should be nervous. Suman, looking at her face, she looks really pretty. Well, this girl, she doesn't realize that Tao expressing her feelings toward her. Does this look like we are having an affair? Suman said to her. She was so close to me, but I didn't mind at all. Tao said to herself. Oh, Suman, she's really getting closer to Tao. It really doesn't bother her. With a distance gap like this, right now, Tao, she seems to be getting strange. But Suman, on the other hand, she really get closer to her. Tao, she was thinking that she even want to get closer to Suman. Oh, these two, the feelings, it's really getting closer. But they really don't realize that now it's really getting mutual. Tao Tao said to her, not like that. Well, definitely, she know how to tell her. I see those people making moves when they are having an affair, holding hands, kissing, and so on. There's nothing wrong with that, Tao Tao said to Suman. So it turns out Tao Tao has been a keen observer. What's wrong with Tao Tao today? She took the initiative to pick me up and said those misleading words. Was she really provoked by Wang Rangran, or was it a new Frank? Now, Suman, she seems to be not realizing that Tao Tao, she is really expressing her own feelings, but right now, Suman, it was really misleading to her. Instead, Suman said to her, do you want me to hold your hand? Oh, that was really a sweet thing, right? Still, it's more than that. Tao Tao said to herself, I was just bragging. Ah, no, it's just. Tao Tao suddenly, she became quiet. Well, looking at her face, seems that she is really blushing. Maybe after hearing that words came from Suman, said to her, I'm just bragging. Of course, Tao Tao has been become timid. Right now, Suman, she stepped back from her and having a space for the two of them. But Tao Tao, she was still staring at Suman. Well, probably she really find her, she was really look beautiful. Now, looking at Suman, suddenly told Tao Tao, it's look like the paparazzi has been left. Suman said to Tao Tao, Tao Tao, she looks really shy. Her face, it was really turning red. She was blushing hard and said to Suman, oh, okay. And she was looking down, don't want to see her directly. Now Suman suddenly turned back, and she was chasing someone, beaten by step. I must have been possessed by Shan Yue. Older man would be unconscious by such a straight wall. Well, for now, right now, Tao Tao, she was thinking like she was chasing her wife. It's like a battle that it's going to start. Now, she was thinking, Suman, don't go. Your fish is here. Well, guys, it is really cute, right? Tao Tao can really think about Suman. Now, it seems that she is willing to express her feelings towards Suman. Suman, wait for me. It doesn't seem that this is like a trick. Looking at her, now Suman realizing that this is not a trick. Also, this is not a play or something. Knows that Tao Tao been being open to her. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!